you to tell you more about the brand story that we've created along with Kiara, along with everyone else here. So yes, very excited with that.
Well, Pond's and I have a very, very special association. Just like me, I'm sure most of you here have, in your younger days had a product of Pond's on your dresser, in your bathroom that you've used. So it's probably one of the first skincare brands that I ever used. It's also the first brand that had signed me on as a face when I just started off in my career. So we are reuniting, and what better than with the new technology? I think that the reason why Pond's is such a legacy and so iconic is because it's ever evolving. It's backed by science, they're always looking for the best solutions for all our problems, and I feel like as a consumer, you're more empowered to make those confident choices when you're choosing your Pond's products. So this brand is just truly very, very special for me in so many ways. Like today really feels like coming a full circle. We started together and here we are, and it's better and it's bigger and it's constantly, wowing me. So I'm sure most people here like me will feel how strong each product is getting, and you'll find that solution that you're looking for when it comes to whether it's pigmentation, whether it's certain, like the whole glutathione, everything that they're using in this range is just spectacular.
Yeah, there's a solution for everything, right?
Yeah, I think for me, the most exciting part, as we
part of the transformation that we're trying to solve as a brand.
Traveling and shooting, I'm pretty sure you can relate to life happens to your skin, right?
I think all of us can relate to it, and like he said, I have to agree. I feel the way it shows up on your skin when it's, when you've had that long flight, or whoever's in my industry would also know, shooting in front of arc lights, and just generally even like late night, stress, work life, everything, emotional breakouts, hormonal breakouts. There's so much that we're all constantly battling, and I feel just taking that time out to give your skin that tender love and care can definitely help you, while of course making better choices in your life and just looking after yourself in these ways, whether it's sleeping on time, getting enough water, everything. It's a whole package, but Pond's definitely assists you in that and just makes your lifestyle easier.
Dr. Joshia, anything you'd like to add to that as well? What else? Any tips that we can, use to get our skin back on track when life happens to our skin?
So when we say life happens, one thing that happens to all of us is pollution. We can't skip that. So try finding sunscreens that have antioxidants in them, because they will not only shield your skin from sun rays, but also from the environmental stresses, be it pollution or other factors that we come across. The second would be, of course, drink a lot of water. That's, I'm sure they will agree. It's a part of everybody's skincare regimen. Second important point is sleep well. That whole 8-hour beauty sleep concept is not a lie. When you're sleeping, your skin is reaffirming itself, it's regenerating. So when you wake up, the skin is better,
No way.
I really need serum. I use serum every day, so Age Miracle Serum, and religiously. And I was talking to someone earlier, like, it's not just, I drink it.
For me, sunscreen is non-negotiable. It's just my most favorite. I drink sunscreen. If you're drinking serum, I'm having sunscreen. But for me, that's just like such an important product in my whole routine. I like to mix a serum and moisturizer, which Pond's has, so I think it just makes that step very easy. And then I go with my cleansing, toning, moisturizing serum and sunscreen.
So I have 2 girls, and I think once you wake up,
Fallen asleep with my makeup on. Ritik is not sure. Should I be saying yes or no? Skips sunscreen on a sunny day. I don't think this panel has done that. I am gonna have to say I have for sure. Tried a skincare trend that didn't work. Okay. Ever tried a skincare hack or tip that you saw on Instagram? Everyone has, I think, today, right? Use a skincare product past its expiration date. Now, this one is interesting. Really? Wow! And how did that go? Was it okay? You're still alive? You're still drinking serum? Picked at a pimple and regretted it. Picked at a pimple and not regretted it? It's the most satisfying feeling, guys. Come on. Spent more than an hour researching skincare products online. All skincare geeks. Part of your job. Had more than a 5-step skincare routine. Wow, only Jopa. See, I told you, I saw his skin and I was like, he's the man. Applied skincare products in the wrong order. Never. Really? Wow. You guys are so good with your skincare. I have to like go back and like bring my A game next time. Applied a skincare product on my face just because it smelled amazing. Felt the immediate need to buy a new product after watching a skincare video online. Immediately bought it actually, not just felt the need gone. Felt overwhelmed by the number of skincare products you see on your shelf. Yeah. This was fun. Thank you guys. This was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed the panel with all of you. I would have just said I have done everything. I think I'm very bad. As I said, I get lazy and then I skip sunscreen sometimes. Yeah, everyone is sighing for me. But I'm 38 and I look pretty good. Yeah, I think it's okay.
Something right.
So thank you for being such good sports and sharing your skincare confessions and secrets with us. Now it's time for a photo op. Can I request you all to stand up for us? And thank you all for being an amazing audience. We've got a lot of zones here for you guys to experience. Have a lovely evening, everyone. Thank you.